Tired of stepping into a blistering hot car every time you park under the sun? The right DIY windshield sunshade can keep your vehicle cool, protect your dashboard from UV damage, and save your interior from fading. The best part? You don't have to break the bank. In today's video, we're reviewing the top 5 best DIY car windshield sunshades that you can easily make or modify for your vehicle. Let's check them out and find the perfect fit for your needs. Kicking off our list at number 1, Cardboard Mylar. The Cardboard Mylar Sunshade is an affordable and effective DIY solution that combines the insulating properties of cardboard with the heat-reflecting power of Mylar. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your car's interior cool while protecting it from sun damage. Key features: this sunshade is made from a sturdy piece of cardboard layered with a reflective Mylar sheet. The cardboard acts as an insulator, while the Mylar reflects heat away from the vehicle. It's lightweight, easy to cut to fit any windshield, and can be folded for storage. Benefits and usage: the dual-layer design reduces heat buildup and UV exposure, making it a great option for hot climates. Simply place the reflective side facing outward on the windshield and secure it with sun visors. The cardboard ensures it stays firm against the glass, providing maximum coverage. Usability: this DIY sunshade is ideal for budget-conscious drivers who want a customizable fit. It works well for all vehicle sizes, and you can make one in minutes using inexpensive materials from a hardware store. Durability: while cardboard can degrade over time, adding a waterproof layer or laminating it can extend its lifespan. With proper care, it remains an effective and sturdy sunshade for multiple seasons. In the second spot, we have Custom Reflective. The Custom Reflective Sunshade is a tailor-made windshield cover designed to fit your car's exact dimensions. It provides superior heat reflection, making it one of the best DIY solutions for sun protection. Key features: this sunshade is made from high-quality reflective insulation material, such as Reflectix, which consists of aluminum foil layers and air bubbles for enhanced thermal resistance. It is lightweight, foldable, and easy to install, providing full windshield coverage. Benefits and usage: by reflecting up to 97% of radiant heat, this shade significantly lowers your car's interior temperature. It's easy to make. Just measure your windshield, cut the material to size, and secure it with tape or suction cups. Placing it with the reflective side outward ensures optimal sun protection. Usability: this sunshade is perfect for those who prefer a precise fit over universal sunshades. It's ideal for daily use, especially in areas with intense sun exposure, as it provides complete coverage without gaps. Durability: with its durable aluminum layers and moisture-resistant build, this sunshade lasts longer than traditional DIY options. It resists wear and tear, making it a long-term investment in sun protection. Coming in at number 3 is the Insulated Covers. The Insulated Cover Sunshade is a high-performance DIY windshield protector that combines thermal insulation with reflective materials to provide excellent heat resistance and UV protection. Key features: made from multi-layered insulation, such as automotive-grade foam and reflective foil, this sunshade provides superior temperature control. It fits snugly against the windshield, minimizing heat buildup inside the car. Benefits and usage: this sunshade keeps your car cooler by blocking sunlight and reducing interior temperatures. It's easy to create. Cut the insulation material to match your windshield, attach a reflective layer, and use Velcro or suction cups for a secure fit. Its insulated core prevents heat transfer, keeping your vehicle comfortable. Usability: ideal for extreme climates. This sunshade is perfect for those looking for a durable, all-season option. It works well for both summer heat and winter frost protection, making it versatile for year-round use. Durability: built with heavy-duty insulation and reinforced reflective surfaces, this DIY sunshade is designed to last. Unlike thin sun blockers, it resists bending, tearing, and moisture damage, ensuring longevity. Taking our 4th spot is polyethylene insulation. The polyethylene insulation sunshade is an innovative DIY solution that offers exceptional heat resistance and durability. Using closed-cell polyethylene foam, this sunshade provides superior thermal insulation while remaining lightweight. Key features: This sunshade consists of a layer of reflective aluminum on both sides with a polyethylene foam core. It's flexible, easy to cut to shape, and provides outstanding insulation against heat buildup. The foam core adds strength, preventing the sunshade from sagging. Benefits and usage. By reflecting sunlight and insulating against heat, this sunshade dramatically reduces interior temperatures. It's simple to make. Measure your windshield, cut the polyethylene sheet to size, and secure it with suction cups or Velcro strips. The foam core ensures better temperature control. Usability. This sunshade is ideal for drivers who need a lightweight yet highly effective DIY solution. It's particularly useful for vehicles parked outdoors for extended periods, as it prevents sun damage and heat buildup. Durability. The polyethylene foam construction makes this sunshade highly durable. It resists moisture, bending, and UV exposure, ensuring long-term effectiveness. Unlike cardboard-based shades, it maintains its shape over time. And finally, at number 5, we have Suction Cup Shade. The Suction Cup Shade is a simple yet highly effective DIY windshield sunshade that stays securely in place using suction cups. It provides excellent sun protection without requiring additional fasteners. Key features. This sunshade is made from lightweight reflective material, often mylar or aluminum-coated fabric. The suction cups allow it to attach directly to the windshield, preventing it from slipping or sagging. It's foldable, portable, and easy to store when not in use. Benefits and usage. The reflective surface deflects heat and reduces glare, making your car's interior cooler. Setting it up is quick. Just press the suction cups against the windshield for a firm hold. This sunshade is reusable and can be adjusted to fit different vehicle sizes. Usability. Best for drivers who want a hassle-free sunshade. This DIY option is great for quick installation and removal. It's especially useful for those who frequently park in sunny areas and need a secure fit. Durability. With high-quality suction cups and durable reflective fabric, this sunshade withstands daily use. The material resists tears, and the suction cups maintain their grip over time, ensuring a long-lasting solution. There you have it, the top 5 best DIY windshield sunshades that offer budget-friendly and effective sun protection for your car. Whether you choose the sturdy cardboard mylar sunshade, the high-performance insulated cover, or the versatile suction cup shade, each option provides excellent heat resistance and UV protection. Making your own sunshade is a simple yet smart investment to keep your car cooler and your interior in top condition. Which DIY sunshade will you try? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more car hacks and reviews.